welcome to Design Week. When I was minding my own business, walking on High Street, Kent, looking at Design Week in London, I said, well, we can do this.
Color is a language, whether we like to admit it or not. It expresses what we see, what we perceive, what we interpret, and how we feel. It expresses the kind of mood that we want to create for clients and customers and patients. And it also describes our personalities. In other words, we are really nothing without color. So when we have this fantastic concept such as Design Week, we can talk about structure, infrastructure, and design, and we can talk about texture and pattern. But can we truly speak about design and not speak about color? That is the reason why we are here.
Usually a gal on a page is probably going to be your least expensive design element. It's going to be cheaper than wallpaper, it's going to be cheaper than tiles, it's going to be cheaper than all the other wall treatments you can think of. So just don't be afraid. Paint your front door red. You're getting inspired, you're getting some passion, and you're getting some warmth. Okay, for black, believe it or not, we think black would be bad. Black would bring wisdom, depth, and it's good for building relationships. So for those of you who want to, you don't have to go to St. Thomas, just paint it.